Today we will learn Konkani vocabulary in school. The classroom is very clean. वर्ग खूप निवळ आसा. The classroom is very clean. वर्ग खूप निवळ आसा. I sit in the second row. हांव दुसरे वळीत बसता. I sit in the second row. हांव दुसरे वळीत बसला. We have 6 periods in a day. आमकां एक दिसात 6 periods आसात. We have 6 periods in a day. आमकां एक दिसात 6 periods आसात. My teacher is very kind. मागेले शिक्षक खूब दयाळू आसा. My teacher is very kind. मागेले शिक्षक खूब दयाळू आसा. I go to school every day. हांव सद्दी स्कुलाक वयता. I go to school every day. हांव सद्दी स्कुलाक वयता. Today we have a test. आज आमगेले परीक्षा आसा. Today we have a test. आज आमगेले परीक्षा आसा. Close your notebook. पुस्तक बंद कर. Close your notebook. पुस्तक बंद कर. English is my favorite subject. English मागेल आवडीचे विषय. English is my favorite subject. English मागेल आवडीचे विषय. May I come in, teacher? Teacher, हांव वर्गात येऊ? May I come in, teacher? Teacher, हांव वर्गात येऊ? Please open your book. तुगेल पुस्तक उगड. Please open your book. तुगेल पुस्तक उगड. May I go to washroom? हांव वॉशरूमाक वचून येऊ? May I go to washroom? हांव वॉशरूमाक वचून येऊ? The teacher is in the class. शिक्षक वर्गात आसा. The teacher is in the class. शिक्षक वर्गात आसा.